This Chintal branch is being inaugurated today with all the presence of established fitness players. Mr. Mohtasham Ali Khan, Mr. World bodybuilder, will be here soon, and he will be inaugurating this gym in some time. And this fitness club has been designed and established in such a way to cater to most of the categories. The middle class families, the pricing has been done so that the middle class families can afford that. And the equipments, all the equipments are international equipments here. We have used Precor and Spirit brands from USA. These brands have been selected personally by me and my brother Mr. Siddiq, who has been in this industry for almost 15 years. Hayat Fitness has been working in the fitness industry from last 15 years. We have almost 5 branches now, and we are coming up with a couple of more branches soon. And coming to the equipments, we have kept all the extreme cardio range. You have an extensive range of cardio equipments with treadmills, cross trainers, spinning bikes, and you have recumbent bike, upright bikes, and this facility is equipped with steam bath as well. And going forward, we will start bodybuilding academy here soon for all the youngsters to train on bodybuilding. The timings, this gym will be operational from morning 5 o'clock till night 10 o'clock. And we have some exclusive timings for ladies as well. Afternoon 11 o'clock till evening 5 o'clock. This will be exclusive ladies timings. Fees particulars, when it comes to it's very much affordable. We are charging about 9,000 rupees per annum, which will cost you about 600 rupees per month, including steam bath, cardio, weight training and all. This is a AC fitness club, and with well certified trainers. The trainers are very well experienced, and they have got very good experience in weight loss program. And the facility is designed in such a way to cater most of the diabetic patients. Today, the lifestyle disorders have been the main reason for most of the people to get attracted towards fitness. The lifestyle, today's sedentary lifestyle, nobody works out. In this regard, we are more focusing on the people of middle age who are diagnosed with so many disorders: hypertension, obesity, diabetes, and we will have different trainers for that who have been certified with different agencies. All the trainers have been certified, and they have been thoroughly trained by Mr. Mohtasham Ali Khan. And under his supervision and guidance, we are training our clients here. Bodybuilding competitions, we will be training definitely for people. It will take about 6 months to 1 year time for a person to get ready for a competition. The state level competitions and national level competitions will take a little more time, but to participate in Hyderabad state related competitions or Telangana Bodybuilding Federation related competitions, we'll be training a lot of our youngsters, and the training will happen over a period of 1 year.